This is the maintenance and support area of the GWM base camp at the 2026 Taklimakan Rally. We have about 10 support vehicles to jointly ensure the operation of all 12 race cars. We carry all the essential tools, so our technicians can work efficiently. Our service trucks are equipped with diesel generators. They provide power for the entire camp, ensuring a stable electricity supply, as well as sufficient air supply. This whole crew is a joint team of global professional talent. We have Chinese technicians here, as well as those from overseas. This is a strong combination, and the goal is actually very simple. The key point is that we want to prepare for our 2027 Dakar Rally. This is the ultimate warm-up during this process. Our local maintenance experience and our overseas maintenance experience will be integrated and enhanced. Before the race, we will run a comprehensive diagnostic on every car. Our technicians fine-tune the cars for the desert, the Gobi, and other demanding terrain conditions, making sure each race car is in peak condition to tackle the next stage. During the race, this place is a complete maintenance support area. The entire support crew works under extremely high pressure throughout the maintenance process. At the end of each racing day, the cars return here for rapid, non-stop inspection, repair, and maintenance. All performance data collected under extreme conditions is carefully recorded to guide our future vehicle R&D. After the rally, the data gathered in harsh conditions becomes valuable R&D input. This closed-loop operation from pre-race to post-race uses track-proven data to upgrade mass production technology and values both competition and support. That's GWM's hardcore engineering philosophy and technical depth.
GWM. Go with more.